Now, I took the shortcut. Instead of making my own dough from scratch, I bought frozen bread dough, and I've thawed it out. And I'm just going to take some flour, sprinkle it on my surface, because you don't want the dough to stick to your surface. Even if you're not going to eat it, you just want it to be nice and pliable. And I'm just going to take my dough out and just drag it out of here. This is part of the stress relief. Just have fun with it. And here we go. There we go. And I'm just going to take it and mash it and take out all my aggressions and all my stress. And actually, if you ever played with Play-Doh when you were little, it's sort of like playing with Play-Doh and being a kid again and just getting all that stress out. And then, if you want to bake it in the end, you can make your own homemade bread.